Absolutely. Ordered? No, a lot of it stuck. It was the most popular I've never seen in my life. I mean, it was like this was not only was it off color, it was off color and lowbrow, and it was so lowbrow they like got a shovel and I am pumped.
My grandma.
Why do you want to keep looking at him? Want to come see the owl?
They have eagles over there, and there's an eagle nest right next to her house.
Why don't we plan on our group?
I remember I went during the star program. I talked about the star program. You know that.
Hey.
Is it important to
You can't even pull this off.
Yeah, I can.
Look.
Hey, guess what? We're out for lunch. And guess what? Trade cookies for you.
Hey, I brought 3 muffins for you.
Yeah?
You read it, didn't you?
Oh, come on! Oh my God! Well, that would show something.
what kind of phone does Alfredo have?
Alfredo doesn't have a phone, right?
Yeah, but does he have Twitter?
Nope.
Only Facebook?
I think he only has Facebook.
FaceTime?
Yeah, I also have Twitter too.
For me is I have Facebook and the phone where I can text someone or call them.
Well, you can follow me on Facebook.
Oh, okay. So who took you off your, wait a minute, who took your friends off of Hawkville, who didn't?
He did, because I was bugging him.
Matthew.
Birthday when you're a teenager.
Wait, where's Mr. Austin?
I have no idea. He's over there, next to Miss
Yeah,
Angelica.
Yeah, he's coming. They're coming. This way, Hunter.
We still have 1 hour left and 45 minutes.
Until what?
Lunch.
Okay. You let me know when it's time, okay?
Okay, because it's 11:30.
It's not.
Oh, that's what Mr. Kerr says.
It's 11:30 right now?
Oh, no, it's not 10:45.
Oh, okay.
What else are we looking at?
Everything.
We have 45 minutes left.
Yeah, just until lunch.
For me, as I do time in my head.
Wow, good for you.
I've been learning time when I was like in 7th grade or 8th grade or 9th grade or 10th.
Commander was right.
Huh?
You want to party?
Another eagle over there.
Go this way.
I want to go see some other.
Go ahead. Bumping into me,
Oh,
man.
sorry, Mr. Austin.
Play with you, Hunter.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Hey, guys.
I think I've been there when I was like in 3rd grade.
Where?
To this place right now.
Oh, the nature center?
Yeah, I've been there when I was in 3rd grade, and what else? When I was at the star program too.
No, hey, Kiko. Kiko. Not yet, okay? We're gonna wait real quick. Kiko. Come here, please. Oh. Kiko.
Hey, Jeremy.
Hey, bud. Kiko, come here. Let me talk to you.
Come on, Matthew.
Wait,
better listen. All you have to do is just swim around as you normally do. Now, if you excuse me, I gotta eat this pebble. It's disgusting, but I'm just gonna swim around. You guys got that? Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Right. Good job. All right. Yeah, that's good. That's a sweet chick. Thank you, though.
So, Mustafa, what animal are we seeing now?
We'll go to the sharks. How about that? Sound good?
Yeah.
Do we have to wait for...
Jeremy, why did Raphael took